Running a vending operation means making decisions all day long. What products should you stock? Which locations need attention? Where are you losing time or money? The problem isn't a lack of data, it's getting clear answers fast enough to act. That's why we built Seed Copilot. Seed Copilot is an add-on to Seed Pro that helps vending operators make faster, smarter decisions using the data already inside their business. Instead of pulling reports, instead of exporting spreadsheets or clicking through dashboards, you just ask a question, and Copilot gives you the answer in plain language. Do you want to know which locations are underperforming? Why sales dipped last week? What your top selling products were yesterday? Which routes are driving the most revenue? Just type it in. Copilot analyzes your seed data and gives you insights to act on immediately. No digging, no guesswork, just clarity. For enterprise operators, that means quicker strategic decisions across hundreds, even thousands of machines. For mid-market operators, it means doing more with a lean team. For smaller operators, it means less time buried in reports and more time growing your business. Seed Copilot turns your data into direction. And now, we've just released an enhanced version of Seed Copilot that is live for all Seed Pro operators. Here's what's new. Copilot can now answer questions about how to use Seed itself, based on the full product support backed documentation that it's been trained on. So now it doesn't just help you analyze your business, it helps you navigate the platform. You can ask things like, how do I create a new customer in Seed with 2 markets? How can I see which machines have ePorts on the machine list page? How do I set up a truck location tracking? How do I set up a route to use Seed Navigator? Instead of searching through help articles, or instead of waiting on a support response, you get guided answers instantly. This means faster onboarding for new employees, fewer interruptions for managers, less time troubleshooting, more time running your business. It's like having a built-in Seed expert right inside Seed Pro. Self-service retail is moving fast. Your tools should keep up. Seed Copilot helps you move from data to decisions, from questions to answers. And now, with built-in product guidance, it's even more powerful. If you're already on Seed Pro, log in and try Copilot today. Your first 50 questions are free. And we're here to help you power your business every step of the way.